enthusiasts. So, are you ready to dive into the latest twists and turns of the crypto world? With Trump's surprising US election win, the entire crypto space is buzzing, expecting potential regulatory shifts that could reshape the industry. Major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are showing dynamic movements, sparking speculations across the market. Well, hi and welcome to Crypto Pulse, where we provide you daily updates on crypto market trends for strategic investments and calculated gains. Starting with Bitcoin, the leading giant, it's currently trading around $87,305.81. Over the past 24 hours, BTC saw a slight dip of 0.97%, but the 7-day growth remains strong at 17.53%. Traders are eyeing BTC's potential to break the $90,000 mark with hopes of it even reaching $100,000 in the coming months, especially if Trump's administration introduces crypto-friendly policies. The 20-day moving average indicates support, with the relative strength index at 50.34, showing a balanced market sentiment. Ethereum, the second biggest crypto by market cap, stands at about $3,218.24. While it's down by 3.51% today, its weekly gain is a striking 24.73%. With resistance around $3,000 and strong support near $3,200, Ethereum is well positioned as the leading platform for smart contracts, DeFi, and NFTs. It's consolidating now, but a breakout could be on the horizon if positive conditions continue. Turning to XRP, it's trading at $0.67, marking an impressive 10.73% rise in the last day and 25.64% over the past week. Speculations about a favorable settlement in Ripple's SEC case is driving optimism fueled by a recent meeting between Ripple CEO and the Trump team. A regulatory event here could significantly boost XRP's value. In the meme coin world, Dogecoin rose 7.19% to $0.3782, while Shiba Inu, though down by 10.04% today, has a strong weekly gain of 26.47%. This reflects the sector's resilience and alignment with Bitcoin's bullish momentum. Top gainers include Bonk, up 30.64%, Stellar is at 13.71%, and Tron with an 8.42% rise. Meanwhile, the biggest losers like FET down 20.72% and UNI down 15.27% showcases the ongoing volatility within the market. So as the market digests the possibilities of a crypto-friendly US administration, optimism remains high. Investors are hopeful that regulatory clarity could propel the overall market cap beyond $3 trillion. For more updates in the crypto world, stay tuned to Analytics Insight, your go-to digital companion for all the things crypto. Stay informed, stay strategic, and happy trading.